Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to select all in Blender. In this tutorial, we will use the default scene. We have the camera, the curve, and the light. If we want to select all the objects, we can press A to select all the objects. If we want to deselect all the objects, we can press Alt A to deselect all. Now, if we select an object and go to Edit Mode, if we want to select all the vertices, firstly we can switch to vertex selection, and then we can press A to select all the vertices. At deselect all the vertices, if we switch to edges, we can press A to select all the edges. Same thing, if we switch to face selection, press A, we can select all the faces. So this is how we can select all in object mode and edit mode in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.